Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this officially website, so you can download the driver. Then after that you click on this search button, then enter the model number of your motherboard. Z890 AERO and G. Then hit enter. Wait few seconds, your motherboard searching. You just click on the product. After that you can see this is your motherboard. Just click on it. Then click on support. This is your motherboard. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. So both operating system installations process same. Okay, so guys, first download one by one. After that I show you how to install. So audio driver, a Realtek audio driver, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see here. Then chipset, scroll down. So this is required INF update. Okay, and this is also required serial driver. This one, just click to download. Scroll down, LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and download. VGA, VGA display graphic card driver with same. Click on download. Then Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. WLAN means guys Wi-Fi. You can see, and BT means Bluetooth driver. So this is Bluetooth, and click to download. And this is Wi-Fi. And same, just click to download. After that you can click to download. It will start downloading here. And click on this icons to move to where it is you're downloading your driver. So let's first complete, then I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.